We're finally doing it again.
Has it been like months?
It's been months, yeah. I don't remember the last one we even did.
It was Christmas, and then it was like, it took forever for us to post it.
Yeah. Sorry, guys.
Sorry about that. We're back, though.
Yeah, we're back.
Happy March.
Happy March.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were just, life just happens, you know.
And it keeps happening.
And we had a lot going on, and you had a lot going on.
Yeah, so much going on.
And then whenever we tried to do it, it was like one of us was sick or
but then we're both not feeling good.
Yeah.
Most of the time I am sick. I'm getting better, though.
Good.
We're getting better. And
I
you
know.
are too, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Sophie's always ready to go.
Yeah.
She's like,
I'm still tired from school.
have something really fun today.
We do.
Oh, but first, 1, 2, 3. Welcome to Doodles and Daydreams.
Yeah, thanks for being back with us and being patient with us while we were not making videos.
I know. We love you guys, though. We're so excited. Like, get some tea. We don't have tea today because Chantel fell down on her job.
I did.
I failed. But you get some tea and get some. Okay, we'll tell you what you need. You need some watercolor paper, just like a sheet. You need some like little cardstock that you can cut into like little squares, and we're gonna make these little watercolor books.
Yes.
You want to hold them or hold them up?
These Rhonda made one for me and Sophie. Oh gosh, a year ago.
Yeah. I had a class online making them, and I thought it was so fun.
And they're just so fun. And I think we've showed them before, but
you did both sides.
Oh my
gosh.
Yeah, they're fun because you can do both sides.
Oh,
and it's just so great.
Yes,
I love it.
I was telling Chantel I like the next one where you have it on
was
that,
like where it goes.
Random things to draw.
Oh, I love that.
And she said draw a party, so I did.
Well,
oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love it. I love it so much. So watercolor paper, glue, either fabric. We also have, you could do fabric. If you don't have fabric, you can do just like this kind of, just any kind of
paper with patterns.
Yeah, pretty paper that you can get from Hobby Lobby. And then, of course, your art supplies, whatever you want to draw in it. But what else? Is there anything else we want to say?
Sophie and I have never made these, so we're going to follow your instructions.
Yes, I'll show you.
It should be pretty easy. But
it's so easy and so fun.
But the reason that they're so fun is because they're just always like, it's like a pocket, little book that you can just take anywhere. And I found that I used it way more often than a bigger sketchbook in my backpack.
Right, because it's just easy to take with you.
It's easy, and then of course you have to bring your art supplies with you wherever you go.
Wherever you go, even if you don't use them. I always take them with me too.
Yeah,
and a book.
Yes, and a book. Always a book.
Thing like this, you can use that. Okay, so 4 inches by 3 centimeters.
Right. So obviously, I think we've showed these before, but they are really fun. It's basically just gluing, right?
Cutting and gluing.
But the great thing is because you get the other side, you can flip it over, and then you got this whole other side to keep going, and it's just like a lot of paper.
It's so much fun.
It's really fun, and you'd find that that I ended up doing more. It forced me to be more fun and creative and just not care.
Yeah. You don't have to be precious with it.
Right.
So, okay, let's start. So you'll have your paper.
Okay.
Your watercolor paper, and then you're going to pretty much just find the center, and then fold it in half, exactly in half if you can. So it's a little bit, sometimes a little tricky to get it, but you fold it in half. And if it's not perfect, well, you want to try to make it as perfect as possible, but I still used it when it hasn't been perfect. And then you really want to make sure you crease it well. Okay. Oh yeah, that's a great idea, Sophie.
Oh wow, that's not even.
It's hard to crease because it's so thick.
Yeah.
But it looks so cool when we get done. And then I always like flip it around the other side and crease it on the other.
Okay, and flip it around the other way?
Yeah. On the other
the other side.
And basically what we're going to do is make 4 strips. So once you have your center crease, you're going to take one side and find the middle.
Ooh, another easy thing.
Another easy thing, yeah. And then
you
are going to crease that down as good as you can.
Got to the middle.
And then you take the other side. basically kind of make like a little, looks like a little book.
Yeah.
And you come and meet both sides in the middle there.
I'm just going to take a second to comment on how beautiful my nail polish is.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Well, you know, my nail styler did it for me.
Oh, who's your nail styler?
My nail styler, her name is Diana. She's 4.
Oh my gosh. Chantal has a grandbaby who's 4 years old.
Yeah.
And it's
and
she did them.
Yeah. Well, she loves doing nails. Loves doing nails.
At least you have an excuse. So my nails. Look how bad that one is. I was gonna fix it before I came and I forgot.
It looks great. I love that color.
But thank you. I am my own nail stylist, so I don't have an excuse.
Yeah. Okay, I think I did that right.
You did it right? All right. So what I do is like if you have a little water, you can put it around there. But what I do is I just use my teeth.
Or what?
Yeah, and then I just like if it comes easy, then I go ahead and tear it. But if not, I do some more water on it. And then there. And it's gonna look really cool. You can just cut them. You don't have to tear them, but it does look really cool with the like frayed edge.
Great, yeah. I'm kind of doing mine like this.
That's perfect. Really, however, I mean it's.
So you can just cut it off.
You can cut it if you want, if you choose to cut it, or if you like the ripped look, you can do that.
Yeah, if you don't care, it doesn't matter. And actually, you may use scissors, then it may still look ripped. I don't know. I can't remember how I did it in the beginning, but
I think I'm just gonna like do a little bit of scoring since I don't have. What?
Yeah, you can cut it like that.
You can.
You can also, if you want to use the straight cutter, you can use that if it makes it better. But I just increase it, of course. And then you do the same thing as the other, except for we're not going to be tearing these. So after you get your crease in the middle, you take the sides and you meet them in the middle so that you have, you're basically going to have 4 little pages.
Gotcha. 4 little pages. So awesome. Fun.
I know,
it's already
so fun.
turning into a book.
It's already turning into a book. And then you kind of you're going to make an M or a W with it. So you should have. So you fold it in half. Yeah, and then you open it, and then you fold it to make fourths. Yeah, just like that.
Okay.
You do that for every strip. Yeah, that's perfect.
Right?
Yeah, and then you'll have an M, or a W.
Okay.
Because and then I'll show you in a little bit. Get them all. We want to.
Awesome.
So so now that you've got your M's and W's or whatever, you'll take. So if you tried to do 2 M's together, it would not. You see how that won't work.
Yeah.
So you want to flip one, and so you'll have an M and a W.
Okay, so don't do this. Don't do this because then you'll have just this over here. That won't matter. So you have to go one this way.
There you go.
And one that way. So that.
Yep, and then you glue those 2 together. Okay. And basically you just alternate an M, W, M, W, and glue them together. So
cool.
Yeah,
I love it.
I might do fabric today.
Yeah, go for it.
But you can definitely use paper.
I want to look at the paper just because.
Yeah, see what they have. Just and then you just want to make sure, once you have it picked out, you want to make sure you have edge around so that you can fold it over and glue it on. So that it's not just, it'll look better when you have some edge on it. So
cool.
I want to take a
look at these.
So I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna do like a little bit of a.
This one has 2
line.
So I mean I could do both.
And just cut it. Yeah, so I guess we can use scissors.
It right around.
I was just making sure they had I have a bit of a. I might want even more. Like the thicker the side is that you're gonna wrap around it, the easier it is to glue it on. So I might make mine even a little bit thicker than I was, but.
Okay, so yeah.
It doesn't have the part you wrap around does not have to go all the way, like it doesn't have to cover it, but because you're gonna glue the paper onto that card.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's great. I mean, this fabric's not going anywhere.
I do say so.
I mean, I'm tempted to use it for I think I will use the fabric glue for the gluing on. So once you have these two, then you're gonna just take your little book. You're gonna put glue on that, and then you just stick it on, and then you glue that, and you stick it on, and then you'll have your book. Amazing. And I try to like make them where they're kind of even on each other. But yeah, so I was just showing the camera that.
Fun. I love it.
You put some glue. Well, I guess I probably should have put the glue on this, and then you don't only have glue on that. So now I don't know if it's going to be sticky on the edges.
Okay.
But then you try to do your best to put it kind of in the center. And I think this is going to be awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
So fun.
Look how cute they turned out, guys. Look at these books. Look how. Oh no, that's okay. Just push it down.
I was thinking that this was going to call to me only, but for some reason this reminds me of like, you know, seaside, ocean, like sage plants, and then I don't know.
That's the perfect color. Now I don't want to do purple and purple. Now I want to do a fun pop of color in mine. We did it. How fun. We made these little
so fun.
books.
Yes. Okay. And I love it so much. Sophie's is like,
I love
Sophie's.
It is the winner. It's definitely the most.
We weren't competing, but
if we were,
Sophie
you won.
We were.
Good job, Sophie. But how cute she made this little bow.
It's so cute. We can take some pictures of it.
That's right.
But she had homework to do. So,
she had homework.
Yeah. And then we just did some little sketches inside.
Oh yes, we did, and I did a little. Mine has been horses lately, so this is going to be all horses in here probably. Horses. Oh, that's right.
It always comes to my mind.
Horses.
Yeah.
From Sleepless in Seattle.
Yes.
It's Meg Ryan.
I'll never forget that because it just seems so like.
That's my favorite. That's my favorite scene of that whole movie.
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is how you make whatever you call these little
tiny watercolor books.
Tiny watercolor books.
I don't know. Call them anything, or mini. But I do like the word tiny.
Yeah.
But yeah. Let's put my little. See if I can
obviously, take them where you want. Put them in your bag. Bring art supplies wherever you go.
Yes, and
ladies and gentlemen, just always do art, okay? Just always.
Every day. Even if you don't feel like you're an artist, call yourself an artist.
That's right.
Because it does help.
Yes, and make one little habit a day. If you were like, oh, I really wish I was this. Oh, I wish I was that. But you just start by like making your bed.
Just start by making your bed.
And do your bed every day. Make it every day. Then take another baby step. Maybe you take 5 minutes to do a little doodle.
Yeah,
whatever it is.
Keep a sketchbook handy and a pencil and do a doodle a day.
Yes.
And try to do a little every day because I did read or hear that that's better. Doing a little every day is better than if you just like, let's say you're very motivated, you sit down for 2 days, 3 days, and for 3 days straight you're doing art and then you don't do art the rest of the month. Which is not, it's still better than nothing, right? Because I know sometimes we have to do that because we don't find the time. But I did read it's better if you do something consistently every day for a little bit of time than if you know.
Yeah, even if it's like all I got was 5 minutes, you know, that's okay. At least you did it, and then it kind of, I don't know, it's like it like connects these dots in your brain, and you're like, oh, I did that yesterday, 5 minutes, I did it, and it just makes you feel better. You're like, all right, I got it, and then you start gaining momentum.
Yeah, and probably a few of those days you'll do 20 minutes more or something.
Yeah,
it won't be
But guys, these are addictive to make.
They're
so
so much fun.
They're really fun. And they're beautiful. And you can use fabric or you can use cardstock paper. Whatever you want.
So great. I can't wait. I'm going to work on mine tonight.
I know. I might make some more after this. This was so easy. Like, okay, it went so fast. Like,
I know. My brother and nephew are coming over tonight. So I might not be able to work on it, but I might just get it out while they're there.
That's right.
Be like, look what I made.
Yeah, exactly. I think I want to make one for some people for fun.
Oh, you could, and they're make great gifts.
Yeah, they're so,
especially for people who like art.
I know, because I received one and I
didn't
expect to love it so much. I was like, oh, it's so cute.
It's just cute.
But when I first saw it, I was like, it's tiny. Like, what can I draw? It's tiny.
I know.
But I filled it up.
You filled it up on both sides. That's why, like, I love yours so much that's why I want to go home tonight, and I want to, and I at least want to add like a few more. Because look, that little doodle of the horse. He's a cute little cartoon horse, but it only took me 10 minutes to make. So I can make another one, and
I love it.
I'm gonna use my Neil colors.
Or if you're not into art, you can write.
You could write. It could be a journal
or whatever.
Just sit down, write 5 minutes a day.
Yep.
All right. This has been so much fun. I'm so glad we got to do it.
So much fun.
I know.
Thank you for the idea because I had forgotten about it.
And also, we're not as consistent right now. But what are we going to shoot for? Once a month or?
Yeah, we're going to try to shoot for once a month. I would say that's more realistic lately because I've taken on a couple extra jobs and
I'm about to start working. So we definitely want to keep doing it, but it just may not be as often.
We were trying to do every other week.
We were doing every other week. Yeah, we were. So we'll see.
We'll see. It'll depend on.
Yeah, but once a month is also great. So we'll see ya.
We'll see you.
We'll see you when we see you.
Thank you.
All right, bye.
Bye.